Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures and gestures to 3-button navigation. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find this option System. As you can see at the very top, we've got the option System Navigation, so just up. And here we've got 3-button navigation and gestures. So obviously, if you've got gestures right now applied, just tap on the 3-button navigation to apply those buttons. Here you can also customize them, so you can reorder back button and the recents. So it's up to you, of course, which layout is more comfortable for you. And you can use circle to search. I mean, you can decide whether you want to use it or not. So all you have to do is to tap and hold home button, and then you can just draw a circle around something and search for it. You can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. And if you'd like to set the gestures, simply tap on gestures here. And instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can go through a tutorial if you'd like to. And again, here we've got the option circle to search and voice assistant. So you can decide whether you want to use both options or only one, or not at all. And here we've got also the back gesture sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Basically, it changes the area which is responsive for your back gestures. Alright, and now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. In order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here. Something like that. And here we've got the recents. So you need to hold it for a little longer. Moreover, if you'd like to quickly change between the apps, swipe your finger from the at the bottom from the left to the right, just like that. And you can change between apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.